guys, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, if you are subscribed, welcome back to my channel. Just found my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Tiny, like tiny except with an M. I look really busted, but it's because I'm going to be doing a nightly routine. Today's been pretty long. I'm not wearing anything on my face but lashes and eyebrows. Other than that, my face is just naturally this red. Yeah, right now I'm going to wash my face real quick with, I'll show the container, this tea tree oil wash that I got, and I thought, why not make a quick video of my face. I have naturally really oily skin, and I get a lot of comments on like, how do you wear so much makeup yet you have really nice like dewy glowy skin? And I'm like, I got you on that. So I'll be sharing that with you today with my nightly routine. I'm still mid-wash, but it's just to show that I have this pimple right here, and she's pretty gnarly, and I'm about to pop it, and I just want to share that really quickly. This is my final face with nothing on it, like pro-washed. I still have that redness, but that's just all neutral. This is the wash that I use, Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. This is the go. I've been using this for the past 2 months, actually halfway, and it's everything to me. I really recommend it if you have oily skin. I use this little brush that you can also use to, it was originally supposed to be used to cleaning your brushes and whatnot, but I use it for my face. With that being said, I'm just gonna head into my normal skin routine without, like, I would usually do a mask or something. First thing I use on my face is it's my Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist with argan oil, and I also added my own oil, aka tea tree oil. I just added a couple drops of this into this, and it does build up here at the top, but I just mix that in a little bit. I also added vitamin E oil, which you can find at your local Walmart, Target, fucking Rite Aid, anything. And vitamin E is good for skin renewing cell growth. Like, it's good for cell growth, and it's like, as you can see, my skin is also starting to lose its redness. That's just oh, and the pimple, yeah, it's popped, and I think it's gonna become a scar. Great. Anyways, I sprayed this all over my face. Kind of just pat that in as well, just because I do excess that a lot. It will add a really nice glow. The tea tree in it is for the lessening in the redness, because I do get a lot of redness throughout the day. Usually would wear the daytime skin moisture. Oh yeah, I use this day and night. That's a go-to regardless. But I also have the duo with it, which is the Care Active Garnier Ultra Lift Miracle Sleeping Cream. It's anti-fatigue night cream, and it just feels really soft, really velvety on the face. Doesn't sting at all. Because of my monstrosity of long nails, I do shake it, and it ends up usually on like that at an angle, so I can grab it. I just get a good portion, and a little goes a very long way. I like my face really dewy, really moisturized and nourished with all types of good oils and whatnot. That's really it for my night routine to get this glow of skin. Other than that, I just do stuff to my lashes and to my brows, because I do have really sparse kind of brows, and I have some areas where they need growth, or just in general. And my eyelashes, they go straight downwards. They don't have any curl to them at all. And so I use at night and morning before I go to bed, and after I wake up, I will curl my lashes, and I will add a serum to them that I found online that you can also buy. I have two different from the same company, but it's two different lash repair hair serums, I'm gonna call them. This one came as a sample with this one. This one is for your eyebrows, this is for your lash. And just a lot of oils, a lot of good nutrition that nourishes your lashes and your brows. And this is the one that also that you can optionally buy. It is pricey. I do say I recommend it just because I do gradually see a difference as time goes by, but I do use this one at night and this one in the morning before I do my routine of lashes. But just a simple coat as if you were adding like mascara. They say that you're supposed to take it off 10 minutes after you apply them. I don't do that. Don't know why they say that. The oil though, if it does get into your eye, it does get irritating. I wouldn't see an issue. Afterwards, I just do this. And I use a spoolie to just gradually increase blood flow. Also, that is my nightly routine. I know it's not long or it's not very informative, but I would rather just be using 2 products for the rest of my life than to be using like 4 or 5 different ones. I will say though, for pimples, anything natural I do recommend for your face, but I use the Burt's Bees Natural Acne Solutions Maximum Strength. It's just a little nozzle and you put that wherever you have a troubled area. Do it on overnight or rub it in. I just leave it on as so. But that concludes my video. I hope you got somewhat information out of it. If you have any questions as to if you have dry skin or like patchy areas, leave me a comment down below and I'll get to you. Much love. Have a good one, guys.